Hi guys, so today let us make banana cake. So first you start by breaking your egg into a bowl, and then you add your sugar. So I'll be using 6 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons. So you add your egg, you add your sugar, and then you mix. So actually this is my first time trying out the banana cake. I actually wanted to see how it will come out and how it will taste, so I decided to try it. So I decided to share the video with you guys also, so you can try this with me, and then also you can maybe rate my work to know if it came out well or not, or if I did it well or not. So after the egg, you add your sugar, then you mix very well. So after adding your sugar, the next thing to add is milk. So for the sugar, I used 6 tablespoons, like I said. So for the milk, I used 130 ml of milk. That was what I added to it, and then I mixed. Then I added half tablespoon of salt, half. Then after that, I added 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of vanilla essence. So after that, I mixed. After mixing, I added my flour. So for the flour, I added 150 gram of flour. So then I added 5 gram of baking powder, and after everything, I added cooking oil to it. So I had to change the bowl because the other one wasn't enough. It was looking small, so I had to change the bowl. So I'll be using this for the rest of the journey. So mix, and make sure to mix very well. So after mixing all your flour, milk, and all of that, now you go down to peeling your banana. So I'll be using just 3 bananas for this video. So you just peel, and if you like, you can actually just drop the banana like that on the pan. If you like, you can actually cut the banana into 2, and before you do this and fry. So I would actually be cutting mine into 2 actually. So please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. And also thank you for actually opening our video. We love and appreciate you, and we hope you check our other videos. We have great content. We have a lot of breakfast recipes. We have a lot of games. We have vox pop and a lot of DIYs. So we have so many things on our channel. So we hope you check out our other videos too. Anyways, so after preparing your banana, make sure to grease your pan with butter or oil. I actually forgot that part, so because I don't know how I got to forget that, but yeah, I actually forgot that, so I'm confessing now. So I ended up doing it later after adding my banana to my pan. So make sure not to forget. So grease your pot with butter or oil first before adding the sugar to the pan, and then adding your banana to it. So please don't mind my funny looking banana. So yeah, it was later I had to add oil to the pan. So after that, you just pour in your mixed flour. You just pour everything on top of the banana, and then you get your gas or whatever you'll be using to fry this. So you get it, and then you put it on low heat, like very low heat, and then you cook or fry both sides for 25 minutes. So yeah, this is the end result. I am glad it came out well actually. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah, it was sweet, it was soft, and it was, oh my goodness. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.